Take a ride in the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, lane departure warning, stability control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.